Yo, what's up everybody? It's Tools Insight. Today, we're diving deep into some next-level tools. I'm talking about the most important ones you need in your life for 2025. Stay tuned because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on brand new tools you've probably never even heard of. Some of this stuff is straight out of the future, but let me tell you, it's gonna level up your life. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with something we can all relate to: stress. We live in a world of constant notifications, deadlines, and pressure. It's no wonder stress levels are through the roof. Introducing the Zen Zone, a sleek, personalized device that looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Zen Zone uses a combination of biofeedback sensors, guided meditation, and even personalized aromatherapy to tackle stress at its core. It tracks your heart rate, breathing patterns, and even skin temperature to determine your stress level. Then, based on that data, it creates a customized relaxation program just for you. Imagine this: you're having a crazy day, feeling the pressure build. You slip on the Zen Zone headband, close your eyes, and within minutes, you're transported to a state of pure tranquility. And the best part? It's not just a quick fix. The Zen Zone actually helps you develop long-term stress management skills. Let's face it, we all wish we could squeeze more hours out of the day. We're all trying to juggle a million things at once: work, family, friends, side hustles. It's a lot. It's called flow state, and it's about to revolutionize the way you work. Flow State is a productivity app that uses AI to analyze your work habits, identify your peak focus times, and even block out distractions. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly when you're most productive and clears the way for you to get things done. Flow State also taps into the power of something called neuropriming. It uses subtle audio and visual cues to shift your brain into a state of hyperfocus. Imagine sitting down to work on a project, and instead of getting bogged down by distractions, you're completely locked in, focused, and productive. You're in the zone, knocking out tasks left and right. Trust me, once you go Flow State, you'll never want to go back. Alright, fitness fanatics, this one's for you. We all know the importance of staying active, but finding the time for a solid workout can be tough. That's where HIIT comes in. High-intensity interval training. It's all about maximizing your workout in a short amount of time. Introducing the Pulse Drive, a wearable fitness tracker that's like having a personal trainer strapped to your wrist. Pulse Drive uses advanced biometrics to track not just your heart rate and calories burned, but also your muscle activation, lactic acid buildup, and even your VO2 max. It's like having a mini lab analyzing your every move. Pulse Drive uses this data to create personalized HIIT workouts that are perfectly tailored to your fitness level and goals. It even adjusts the intensity in real time, pushing you harder when you need it, and easing up when you're reaching your limit. Imagine crushing a 20-minute workout that feels like a full hour at the gym, and with its sleek design and intuitive interface, it's the perfect workout companion. Now more than ever, prioritizing mental health is crucial, but finding the right tools and resources can be overwhelming. Introducing Inner Oasis, a revolutionary new tool that's like having a therapist, mindfulness coach, and support system all in one. Inner Oasis isn't just another meditation app, though it does offer guided meditations. It goes way beyond that. It uses AI to track your mood patterns, identify triggers, and provide personalized insights and coping mechanisms. It's like having a therapist in your pocket, available 24/7. Inner Oasis also offers virtual reality experiences designed to reduce anxiety, promote relaxation, and even help you process difficult emotions. Imagine stepping into a serene virtual world where you can escape the stresses of daily life and find a moment of peace. It's not about masking your emotions, it's about understanding them, managing them, and ultimately thriving in spite of them. Inner Oasis is more than just a tool, it's a companion on your journey to mental well-being. It's about unlocking inner peace and thriving. We all know the feeling. The weather changes, the days get shorter, and suddenly you're feeling run down, sluggish, and more susceptible to every cold and flu going around. Seasonal changes can really take a toll on your health. Introducing Sunsprout, a revolutionary device that brings the power of nature indoors. Sunsprout isn't just your average light therapy lamp, though it does provide that mood-boosting blue light we all crave during the darker months. It goes way beyond that. It uses a combination of light therapy, aromatherapy, and even personalized vitamin recommendations to optimize your health based on the season. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized, even on the darkest winter day. It helps regulate your circadian rhythm, boosts your mood, and strengthens your immune system. It's like having a personal health coach that tailors its approach to the time of year. Sunsprout is a must-have for anyone looking to take control of their health and well-being. In today's digital age, it can be challenging to carve out quality time with family. Between work, school, and endless screen time, it seems like we're all living increasingly separate lives. Introducing Storytime 2.0, a revolutionary new way to connect, create, and make lasting memories as a family. Forget passive screen time. Storytime 2.0 is all about interactive experiences that spark imagination, encourage creativity, and strengthen family bonds. Imagine gathering around the virtual campfire, sharing stories, playing games, and creating your own adventures together. It uses augmented reality to transform your living room into anything you can imagine: a prehistoric jungle, a bustling city, even outer space. Storytime 2.0 also offers educational experiences that make learning fun for all ages. Explore historical events, discover new cultures, or even learn a new language together. We've all been there, feeling overwhelmed by our to-do list, struggling to focus and wishing for a moment of peace. It often feels like productivity and mindfulness are at odds with each other. Introducing ZenFlow, a revolutionary new approach to productivity that combines the power of mindfulness with smart task management. It's not just about checking things off your list, it's about approaching your work with intention, focus, and a sense of calm. ZenFlow uses a unique blend of guided meditation, time-blocking techniques, and personalized productivity prompts to help you find your flow state and stay there. Imagine starting your day with a few minutes of mindfulness, setting clear intentions for your work, and moving through your tasks with ease and focus. ZenFlow also helps you develop healthy work habits, manage stress, and prioritize your well-being. It's about finding a sustainable rhythm for your work and life. Achieve your goals without sacrificing your mental health. We've all heard it before. Stress is a silent killer. It impacts not only our mental health but also our physical well-being, making us more susceptible to illness. Introducing Immunity Shield, a revolutionary new device that tackles stress and strengthens your body's natural defenses. Immunity Shield uses a combination of biofeedback sensors, personalized aromatherapy blends, and guided relaxation techniques to reduce stress hormones and promote a sense of calm. It also releases specific aromatherapy blends proven to boost the immune system, fight off infections, and promote overall well-being. It's like having a shield of protection against those pesky germs. We all know the importance of family time and staying active, but sometimes it feels impossible to juggle both. Between busy schedules and different interests, finding activities everyone enjoys can be a challenge. Introducing Active Adventures, a revolutionary new platform that combines the thrill of gaming with the benefits of physical activity. It's time to ditch the screens and embark on epic quests, solve puzzles and conquer challenges, all while getting a great workout as a family. Active Adventures uses augmented reality to create immersive experiences that get everyone moving, laughing, and bonding over shared adventures. Active Adventures is designed by fitness experts to ensure everyone gets a balanced workout regardless of age or fitness level. It's about making fitness fun and accessible for the whole family. We've covered a lot of ground today, from stress management and productivity to family wellness and fitness. You're probably thinking, these tools sound amazing, but how am I supposed to fit them all into my life? Well, here's the plot twist you've been waiting for. The ultimate tool for 2025 isn't a gadget, an app, or a device. It's something far simpler yet infinitely more powerful. The most important tool you need in your life is you. The most powerful tool you have is your own mind and body. All the tools we've talked about today can be incredibly helpful, but they're just that, tools. The real magic happens when you take control, make a plan, and commit to creating the life you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible insights into the tools you need for 2025. Stay tuned for more exciting content from Tools Insight. And remember, the best tool is the one that helps you live your best life. See you next time.